Blast from the past. Step back in time with these old cars and trucks sitting quietly in a field on the farm. Once loved and well used, they've got stories to tell of long roads traveled, heavy loads hauled, and countless memories made.
Some date back decades, worn by time and weather, yet they still hold that rugged charm, rusty, faded, but undeniably full of history. What do you see when you look at them? A project, a memory, or a work of art?
There's nothing quite like the experience of searching for vintage vehicles and capturing their beauty through photos. Each one tells a story: where it's been, who may have driven it, and the life it once had. From rusted relics to hidden gems, these timeless machines are more than just cars. They're pieces of history waiting to be rediscovered. Every snapshot is like freezing a moment in their long, storied past. Who else loves the thrill of finding and photographing these vintage beauties? Let us know what you think about these amazing vintage vehicles in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and stories. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more classic car finds. We've got plenty more old cars and timeless treasures coming your way soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.